Everyone, today I'm going to be unboxing some of the stuff I got at American Girl yesterday. First off, we have the 3-in-1 game night table. And next, we have everyday accessories for boy dolls. Here's the jacket and some headphones with a pair of shorts, a water bottle, some money in US dollars, a phone case, and a switchable phone slide. Isn't that cute? So, here is the 3-in-1 game night table. Wow. We have the hockey equipment, air hockey equipment, with the hockey and the hockey footers. And then there's the ping pong and the ping pong ball. Here is the ping pong table net. And here comes the table. 911, please. Whoa. Lots of stuff. Here's the table holders. And then here's the actual table right here. Underneath this, there is the ping pong table, a foosball table, and an air hockey table. Here, Luciana is going to play foosball with Logan. And Logan's calling his friends to play with him and Luciana. You can also switch the table to ping pong like this. Oopsies. Okay, so here Logan and Luciana are playing tennis with each other. Ow! And now, Logan and Luciana are playing air hockey with their new air hockey table. Ow. Yay! 1 point for Logan. So that's it for now, guys. We're gonna play hockey for now. Yay!